Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change or edit form submission message in Wix form in website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor and we are in about page. So this is our form. Now click on it and then you see form setting button. So again click on it. Now you see Wix form pop up and then you see multiple settings and then you see submit message. So click on it and then you see what's the message, thanks for submitting. So this is a form submission message, so you can change it according to your requirement. And then you see how long should the message show after submission, always set time. So you can set setting according to your requirement. How long does it show? 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds the form submission message disappear. If you want, you can set always, so it's up to you. So you can change this message according to your requirement. So we added new message, thank you for your form submission, and then click on publish. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.